Hi everyone, my name is Vinay Kumar and you are watching Digital Vinay channel. Today I am going to do a review on Brown Bear Bargains, who was owned by Dawood Islam. Now let us see what is Brown Bear Bargains, what are the benefits of Brown Bear Bargains, what you get when you purchase it today, what training is included in this course, overview of Brown Bear Bargain dashboard, and my high quality products as exclusive bonuses. What is Brown Bear Bargains? In this product you will get 25 products plus 11 upsells included for free. But that's not all, you can also grab the product from 16 other top marketers, meaning that you can pick up this crazy bundle of training and softwares from some of the top names in the industry. This is bargain bundle to end all bargain bundles. You would have to spend thousands of dollars to buy all the products individually like before. So take advantage of the Brown Bear bargains and secure your bargain today. What are the benefits of Brown Bear bargains? Over 50 great products, learn from 18 top marketers, which is the worth of $1247 of value. If purchased individually, everything a newbie could possibly learn and then start a new business today. Never need to buy another course again. Now let us see overview of the dashboard. This is the sales page of Brown Bear Bargains. Here you will get, these are the all products, get all these upsells pro versions: Rhino Results Pro, Halloween Method Pro, Duck Dollars Pro, Dolphin Dividends Pro, Eagle Emails 365, Jogger Jackpots Pro, Behind Listing Pro, Monkey Mailers Pro, Panda Payments Pro, Wombat Wealth Pro, and 11 full Pro updates included, second wave System Pro, and 18 top marketers and 42 great products. This is a checklist, 6 free checklist, Kevin Fay and Eric Hammer of Durable and Ray Mack free giveaway profits, Akhtar Alam Insta Quick Income and Jason Okel, EZ Zevizu Secrets PLR and Ronnie Rocksmith Automation Secrets, Dan Mahadi Trigger, Johnny Rose, Barber Mouth Bucks, Bobby D, Listlastic, Profit Zenith, Will Weatherly, John Altres, CB Data Fox, John Newman the Collector, Guy Potter Piggyback Profits, Guy Potter Profit Engine, Sasalik, Supernova Profits, and 24 titles from Dawood Islam, Meerkat Monkey, Rhino Results, Halloween Method, Animal Kingdom, Energy, Second Wave System, Ducky Dollar, Wombat Wealth, Monkey Mailers, Blind Listing, Jogger Jackpots, Dolphin Dividends, Gary Greyhound Giveaways, Panda Payments, Puma Profits, Internet Marketing Alphabet, The Lockdown Formula, Courage Commission, Leapfrog List, Eagle Emails, Tiger Traffic, Panther Profits, Cash List Creator, Moco Moola, Expansion and Affiliate Marketing Bootcamp by Sabine Timsina. These are the all products you will get when you buy these Brown Bear Bargains. Now let us see the dashboard. How the dashboard. This is the dashboard of Brown Bear Bargains, and here you will see the welcome overview You will access the product here. Just now we have seen all the products. These are the products you will access, and my product upsells and top marketed products here you can access. And these are the resources: free skill space, recommended resources, my top recommended resources, conclusion, and you will get the bonuses: commission blueprint, the secret weapon, effortless safety profit, JVZoo super tutorial, barrier press super hacks strategy, and you will get upgrades here. You have to buy these upgrades. VIP package D, FY done for you, weekly campaigns, reseller rights, executive club, launch product with me, and here you will get unadvertised bonuses. Now how you will access these products? Just you click on this and access this product here. Click on this button. Now you will redirect to that page. Just you need to sign up and you can access the products. Same thing with all these products. Now let us see what are the bonuses you will get when you purchase through my link. These are the bonuses you will get. First two bonuses: in inbox blaster you will get, which is the worth of $197, and second one you will get video crusher, which is the worth of $197, and third bonus you will get 6 done for you funnels with lead pages and gift plus sales pages with product to sell, worth of $497. And bonus 4, you will get super affiliate buyer funnel, which is a worth of $297, and you will get all the bonuses. You can access these bonuses in members area. Just now we have seen what are the bonuses you will get, and you will get the upsells. Front end upsells is $12.95 Brownway bargains, and OTO VIP package of $37, and downsell is $17. OTO 2, the done for you weekly campaigns, just now we have seen in the dashboard, $97, and downsell is $47. OTO 3 reseller rights, our upsell is $37 and downsell is $17. OTO 4 executive club, $97 upsell and $47 is downsell, and OTO 5 launch a product with Daud limited to 5 persons only, which is a worth of $997, and downsell is $797. Now these are the high quality products you will get when you purchase through my link. First one is inbox blaster, second one video crusher, third one 6 done for you funnels, fourth one super affiliate buyer, and fifth one you will get all the bonuses in the members area. Now let us go to the slides. This is the overview of dashboard, and don't just take for it. These are the results when you purchased brown beer bargains. You will get the results like this. Next one, sorry. Now this is a 100% money back guarantee. This product comes with a 30-day money back guarantee. However, in order to meet my minimum criteria of recommending it to you, it needs to minimum a score of at least 87%. Based on my time with the product and my overall impression, the rating I give to this product is 92 by 100. Now it's your turn. Click the link in the description below and you will get the free 100 clicks for you for absolutely free and advanced training. Please grab the link is in the description below. Thank you for watching my review. Please like, share, comment, subscribe and press bell icon for further notification. Have a great day. Thank you.